classic peanut butter cookie. You had them as a kid. Can you have them on keto? Sure. It's called a mug cake. Roll the intro. What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, you can start now by clicking the subscribe button and then move over just a scotch. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this channel. Today's video is all about the mug bread. You've heard the mug bread going around the keto land if you've paid attention to anything keto. It's basically a cake that you cook in the microwave.
And it's delicious.
It is delicious. It's quick. Now, here's the thing. You've had this as a kid. Peanut butter cookies. Your mom made them. You probably made them.
Look,
I don't know if you made them.
Let me tell you. 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 cup of peanut butter cookies. Then my mom would do this like little...
So that's what they made?
Right.
Just like what you just said?
Right. It's just 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of peanut butter.
How many cookies would that make?
I don't know. And my mom would do this like little ooey gooey peanut butter. She would mix some peanut butter with like Karo syrup and put it on top. And it'd be like this little gooey center.
That's delish.
But we're going to make it keto. And we're going to make a cake instead of a cookie.
But it tastes like cookies.
It tastes like a peanut butter cookie. Mm-hmm.
But it's so simple. Put it in the microwave and like 2 minutes.
2 minutes in the microwave.
And it's that simple.
And it's done.
It's over and you have yummy deliciousness.
Deliciousness.
So, let's get to cooking.
Okay, and our ingredients for our mug bread for today, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of chunky peanut butter, natural chunky peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of almond butter. We have 1 tablespoon of Lily's chocolate chips, which are not sweetened with stevia and I think erythritol. We have 2 tablespoons of erythritol, powdered erythritol, 1 egg, and a couple of drops of stevia. Okay, it's very important. Just make sure that you mix your egg and your peanut butter and everything up really well, because if not, your egg will cook just on the top and it'll be disgusting. I taught my kids to do this themselves. We all did it as a family one night, and then a couple days later, Bentley wanted to do it by himself. He did it. He didn't mix the peanut butter and the egg up, and so he had a layer of like yellow egg on the top. It was disgusting, but he chopped it up and ate it. So, you know, that's a boy for you. And we're just gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and it'll be done.
Okay, just out of the microwave. You can see peak game on that, folks. And because it's out of the microwave, my hand is scalding. And you can drink this like coffee too. Just kidding, it's a cake. So just out of the microwave, we're gonna try this.
It's not too hot. We let it cool for about a couple minutes.
Oh boy. Peanut butter cookie / cake.
And you can see how it's cakey. It's not like a cookie.
Easy to make, easy treat. Mug bread, or is it mug cake? There is mug bread, still.
Yeah, I mean, this is kind of like a mug cake cookie.
It is. But there's still mug bread. We do bread like this too. This simple. So simple.
You definitely need, with the peanut butter, or the almond butter probably. You need some almond milk to go along with that.
Oh, is it too dry?
You know what you could do? You could like pour almond milk in that. You know how you used to eat cookies? You used to pour milk in your cookies?
This is going to be like a cereal for breakfast.
Gross. But anyway, we did the other day. And I mentioned it when we were cooking it. We had all both the kids and Byron and me. We all had our little mug, and we all did it together as a little family. It was nice. Okay, what are you doing?
Wait a minute.
Oh, and you know what? Something else.
Oh wait, what about the macros?
Oh yeah.
You know what'd be good with this? Like extra chocolate drizzle. Just drizzled, maybe some caramel. That'd be good too.
Okay, you ready?
Whipped cream.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. It's 4 grams of carbs for the peanut butter and almond butter because they both have the same carb count. 4 grams of carbs for 2 tablespoons because it's 7 grams of carbs and then 3 fiber, so that's 4 grams. And then there's 1 gram of carbs for the Lily's chocolate chips.
So all you just said was a lot of words. How much is in this right here?
5 grams of carbs
in this cup.
In this cup.
Got it. See, that makes it simple for me.
Oh, and plus probably an extra gram for the egg. So maybe 6 grams of carbs.
There's a carb in an egg?
Yeah.
Huh.
Anyway.
Carbs.
Do a little heavy whipping cream with a little bit of erythritol. Make you a little Cool Whip.
Shandy.
Yeah, delicious.
Well.
I'm going to have another bite.
Yeah, have another bite. Right there. Got that. Just that chocolate chip going in the mouth right there.
So good.
So, hey, thanks everybody for your comments on our videos. We are reading them, replying to them, and we are taking everything
into consideration
with a grain of salt or pepper,
so to speak.
No, anyway, we've had a lot of good feedback, and we've incorporated a lot of that to the feedback.
We did get a negative comment.
Does that make sense? Oh yeah, negative comment. I get on Susan's nerves as well as the person that made the comment. So if I get on your nerves, that's expected. You're welcome. I'm sorry. I can't. That's me. Sorry, I get on the nerves. Hers too. So thanks everybody for liking, sharing, and commenting. If you did like this video, please do that. And also let us know if you make this mug cake at home and how your family loved it. Until next time, remember, keep it mug cake.
No.
Why?
That's not it.
Keto mug cake.
Not it.
Always.